Okay, so if there would be a situation like you like any girl and you want to
Hmm.
marry her, okay,
Hmm.
and your parents do not want you to marry that girl. So in that situation, what would you do?
I think I will go.
Okay. Okay, so Anand, for today's video, I have chosen some couple of questions that I want to ask you. Okay,
Hmm.
so you can just answer them according to whatever you think, right? So shall I ask the questions?
Of course.
All right. So my first question is, if you could spend a day with anyone, okay, who would you choose? Any person.
First of all, my answer will be with myself, but you are asking, accept myself, right? So
Yeah,
in
except
this
yours.
in this case, with my one of my friends, okay, just
One of your friends,
yeah,
he or she.
he or she. You are asking?
I'm
Hello,
asking about a boyfriend or a girlfriend, not girlfriend, a girlfriend.
a girlfriend. What is difference between
No,
girlfriend
there
and
is
a
seriously
girlfriend?
there is different. There is a difference between girlfriend and girlfriend. No.
Okay. So girlfriends means what? Or girlfriend? Oh, I can singular or plural. You are talking about singular or
Not
plural.
singular plural. Not singular
Oh,
plural.
oh,
Girlfriend is a noun.
okay.
Okay. And girl, it becomes adjective and friend. Okay. Ladki friend and girlfriend means your beloved, you can say.
Okay, beloved. No, yes, he is my. How now it is looking ridiculous to say boyfriend or boyfriend.
Not boyfriend, not boyfriend, but you can say boyfriend.
Boyfriend, right? I mean, right now you are asking in such a way that if I will, everybody says that he has girlfriend, and if I will tell someone that I have boyfriend, then what will they think? Okay, so he is my friend, and he is a male. Okay, all right. Now I have to
Okay.
describe it in this way, right?
He is male, okay. If he is he, then he would be male. All right. Why would you like to spend your time with him?
Because I think his most of the thought and opinion matches with mine, and the way I think he also think the same way. It is not matter that because his thought and opinion matching, that is why we are talking. Sometimes, yeah, our opinion go against each other, but we have one sort of respect between us.
Yeah, these things matters.
Yeah,
All right. Okay, so shall I shoot the next question?
of course.
Yeah, so the next question for you is, if you could magically do one thing, only one thing, okay? So what would you do?
Magically do one thing. Okay, you are talking about magically. That is why I'm telling that I would like to make whole world happy.
How can you make whole world happy?
You are telling magically, so magic can be spelled. Okay, I mean, when I know it is impossible to make the whole world happy. Okay, but since you are talking magically, so I can spell a magic, so they will be not in their own consciousness, so I can easily make them happy.
Don't you think that this is the most difficult task to make everyone happy? And
In
it's
reality,
totally
it is most
impossible.
difficult task in reality, but you are asking me a hypothetical situation that if I'll magically, so magically means with magic means not in reality.
Okay. Okay. But still it would be impossible in my point of.
Oh,
Okay then. Yeah, so the next question is, what is one of your strengths?
one of
What
my
you are
strengths.
proud of? Yeah, you feel proud of having that strength.
Yeah, one of my strengths is that I follow myself. Whatever I have to do, I take my own decision and I work on it. I think it is my one of the strength that I don't go to ask people, should I do it, should I not do it, is it right or wrong. Yes, I think it is my one of the strength I have.
So it means you don't take permission of your parents also?
No, why? If I have to, like, have to do something in my life, then I will not
Oh my
always go to
God.
my parents and I will take permission of them. Yeah, they know their own things better. Okay. I mean, my parents are farmers, so they know how to do farming well. If I will go and I will ask them, how to run an institute, then what kind of, suggestion I will get. So yeah, it's matter that you will have to just go with the situation and things, because um, I think a washerman cannot know how to make chains, right? Just goldsmith can know these things, and goldsmith cannot know how to wash clothes. So both are the
So it
different
means
things.
you underestimate your parents, but they are
No,
experienced. They can
not
tell
at
you better
all.
than you.
Not at all. I am telling you, I am more loving son than any other son in this world, right? I'm proud of my parents, but I know the limitation that where I should, yes, it is my responsibility to respect my parents, love them. I have to love them, I have to care them because they have given me birth. And as well as not, they have pampered me, they have, feed me and everything they have done. So I know responsibility. But when the matter comes of my own choice, then I don't think that my parents can do anything about it. It's my own responsibility, because tomorrow if I will be failure, my parents is not going to, face the consequences. And if I will be successful, definitely my parents will be happy for it.
Okay, so if there would be a situation like you like any girl and you want to
Hmm.
marry her, okay,
Hmm.
and your parents do not want you to marry that girl. So in
Hmm.
that situation, what would you do?
I think I will go against my parents.
Really?
Now you will ask why.
Yeah, why?
Why? Because I think it is my individual choice that I love the girl and girl loves
But your
me.
parents
And
also have some expectations from you. They also want you to follow him.
no, I think in this world, if you are a little bit real, then you should kill your expectation. Okay, first of all, expectation is only thing that is killing the people. That is, making you
So you
depressed.
mean parents? You mean that parents should not have any kind of
No,
expectation
if
to
the
their
parents are
children?
real, then they will have no expectation from their children. I know it
Oh my.
very well. Up if they are they have expectation, definitely they are going to be hurted by their children. And the same thing is going in this whole world. Parents has so much expectation from their word that the word is looking, it is looking like they have very, what can I say, they have so much to so to their word. I mean, they want to handle their word. It is not good thing. Yeah, parents should be happy whatever their children are doing. Just they should, do one thing that, but it is also responsibility of son that they must take care of their parents. They must fulfill their wishes. But in some cases, like you told, if I'm loving the girl, I should go for her. Why my parents will love someone and will go to marry her? Because my parents love her. I don't love her.
All right, it's up to you, but I'm not agree with you at this point. I'm sorry for that.
Okay.
Okay, so the next question is, what is the one thing that you regret about your life?
Regret.
You have taken some decisions and you regret it now, or any other thing, not only decision.
Yeah, something is that regrettable, but I don't think, I never look in past, so I don't regret about anything. Okay, whatever happened, I think yeah, it was right for that moment. But what is happening right now, it is my responsibility to, do well.
So you are very positive.
Yeah,
But
you can say
nowadays
what.
it's
Hmm?
nowadays it's not good to be positive.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are living in virtual world. You are very positive, then maybe it can harm you. But anyway, what can we do? Because until or unless you are
No,
not positive.
I'm talking about COVID-19. You should not be positive.
Oh, you are talking COVID-19. Yeah, one should must be positive, right? Yes, you must
Should
be.
not be positive.
Yeah,
You
should
need
not be
to
positive.
stay negative.
Negative. Yeah.
Yeah, many weird things has been happening due to this COVID-19 in our life.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, so the next question for you is okay, if you discover, like you
Mhm.
come to know that you have just only 6 months on this earth, you're just gonna live for 6 months, okay?
Mhm.
So how would you like to spend that period of time?
I think, yeah, I'll be like before. I mean, I would like to spend those time with more energy, more productivity, and I would like to make that 6 month as if I have, lived for forever in this world.
What are the things that you wanna do?
Other than I'm telling you, I will, do the things in the way that, I will never regret about it. If I will look back, then I will think that yes, I lived for
But you
forever.
are not gonna live after 6 months, so there would be no regression.
But you are talking about hypothetical situation. Reality is that I'm not going to die in 6 months. Maybe I can die today also.
That's why I'm telling you. You just have to tell me about the 6 months. How would you like
Uh,
to spend these 6 months?
happily, doing the things that I love to do. Talking with people, meeting with them happily. Okay, no problem. Because anyway, I know just 6 months I have in my hand. So let us spend each and every moment with full joy. I will not. Right now, I have enough time, 16 years. That is why sometimes it looks like, yeah, be sad for some moment, okay, because we have enough moment to live. But when I will
What
see
would
that
you
I
do
have
for your
just six.
parents?
Hmm?
What
Hello.
would you do for your parents within these 6 months?
Oh, you are very concerned about my parents. Okay. So for them, I'm not going to bring a bridegroom. Sorry, bride. Bridegroom, I'm saying bride. Okay. I'm not going to bring bride anyway because most of the parents wish for bride. Okay. Is it true or not?
Obviously,
Yeah.
yeah, definitely it is.
Yes. So